Sideward James here again with a new Excel data cleaning technique. Today we are going to cover a series of data cleaning techniques. Let's dive into it right away. Now, we want to remove duplicates. Our manager wants us to give him the unique name of sales practitioners who we hire to do a particular sales. As we are seeing this data, it contains the sales practitioner's name and their department and their annual salary. But we want to filter this, and we want to know the unique sales practitioners. Actually, this data was given us by the sales unit, wherein they have to record each sales, but it have some duplicates. Now, for us to identify if it have duplicate, we highlight it. We go to conditional formatting, highlight, and when we click highlight, we see duplicate values. When we click duplicate values, here Excel have to highlight all duplicate values in a particular color. For me, I've selected light red, so you see it has highlighted all duplicated values in red. Here you can change if you want already unique, and you can select unique. Excel will highlight already unique. Now we said duplicates, and it has given us the duplicate. We press OK, and these are the duplicates being highlighted. Now we go back. We want to know, this is the way how to highlight duplicates, and we want to know the total amount of departments that are in this particular organization. Now, as you are seeing, we have to highlight this row, department, and we go to data, we go remove duplicates, and it will ask us which duplicates. This department only. Here are the columns that it has selected. It has already selected this column. When we press OK, our Excel has shown us that we have all these 7 unique values. That means this organization have only 7 departments, which are the following: IT, finance, sales, and accounting, and also, and so on and so forth. So as you see, this is the way we remove duplicates. And if we want only the unique names, we have to go to remove duplicates. We expand, we set all the first names, we press OK. Yeah, it has removed all duplicates in the first names. So this is a way to remove duplicates in a particular data. Now we want to learn how to replace blanks. As we are seeing, this data contain blanks. We have to find a way to replace these blanks with something, and for the layman in there to understand. Now what we have to do, we have to highlight all the data, and we press Ctrl G on our keyboard. We go to special, we go to highlight blanks, press OK. Here we press equal to, and equal to, we have to fill in what we want Excel to replace this particular blank cells with. But for us here, we don't want it to replace just, we want to replace these blank cells with value no data. No data, and we press Ctrl Enter. It gives us all the blank cells with no data. And for now, we have to replace, we have to change the color of this particular aspect Excel have chosen with red, which indicate that this data, these particular areas have no data. That's a way to replace blanks. Now, to fill these blanks, we have to fill down these blanks here in this particular Excel sheet. We don't have to drag here. This will take us time. Sometimes you'll have to mistakenly drag it here. So to avoid this one, we have to use a particular format. We set Ctrl A to highlight all the data. We press Ctrl G again. We go to special, and here we have to highlight blanks and press OK, and it has highlighted all the blanks. We press equal to, and we press IT. We press Ctrl Enter. It has filled it automatically, all the departments, each salesperson name and the department he or she belongs to. And here we have gotten the department column field. Now we go to concat. Here we have to, concatenation simply means to join the two texts together. Now, here we have to join these two texts, the first name and the last name. We want it to be in one column. We press equal to concat. The moment we start typing it, it pops up. And we press concat, this one, press comma. Now we have to use the double quotes for us to have space in between these two names, the surname and the first name. We press enter, and we are seeing here it has joined the name and the last name, first name and the last name simultaneously, as we are seeing. So there's a way to concat where we're joining the two names. Maybe we might need this particular technique to cover a particular to do some particular data analysis, and we come to separating time from that of date. Sometimes, most times, we find this one difficult, but it's very much simple. We press equal to, we press int, the int function, int, we press the column we want it to separate the date from, we press equal to. Here, it has just separated the date from the time. And for here, we want to only take the time. We press equal to, we press this column minus int, press this one, press enter. That's already given us the time. We drag. Now you see it has separated the date from the time. So we go to changing cases in Excel. Most times Excel don't have uppercase and lowercase here. So we go to cases here. Now for us to change this data to uppercase is not in proper form. Now we are seeing the way the data is being recorded. We have to change equal to, we said upper, take this one, press equal to, we close the bracket and we just press enter. Sorry for that. We click and drag, we see all the data is now in upper cases. Now when we come here, we said equal to, we said lower, we press this, see enter, it has given us all in lower cases. And here we want the data in proper case, we press equal to, we said proper, and press a column. Now the data is now in proper cases. As you are seeing, that's the way to do this basic data transformation. Once more, thank you. I'm Seperate James.